Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some delicious curry chicken with white rice, some vegetables, some carrots, string beans, with some broccoli, and some other vegetables that I found in my refrigerator that I had left over. Okay, let me stop eating and let's get into this video. This was so good though. This was so good. I enjoyed this meal. Let's go shopping for what we'll need to prepare our meal for today. So first, I'll grab some broccoli. Let's see what other vegetables on sale. I usually just go for whatever's on sale. I'll just buy, and that works. So let's see what's on sale today. Okay, string beans are on sale. This is actually a good sale. I get 2 bags and they're 2 for $4, which is great. Now I think I'll get some carrots because I have 2 greens, so the carrot will bring a little more color to the meal. I love when my plate is colorful. It just makes you feel so much better when you're eating, when you have a colorful plate of food. Listen, that's just how I feel. I don't know if everybody feels the same way I do, but that's just how I feel. So now I'm heading to the meat section. I'm heading over to where the chicken is to grab some chicken. Once you get to know me, you'll know I love a good sale. So let me see what's going on over here with this $2.99 display. Now I'm at checkout. I'm just checking out everything. So I'll be heading home to start preparing our meal for today. I'm so excited. So now I'm home. Let me show you what I got. This whole chicken was already home. My son took it out the freezer and I got it at Sam's. I love buying a whole chicken and cut it up when I'm doing my curry. And then I got a bag of leg quarters that I'll be using as well that I got in Publix. And I got some chicken back. I got 2 packs of chicken back. Oh, if you guys don't know, chicken back and curry. Ooh, chef kiss. So let me get everything ready to start cutting up my chicken. You know, Publix does cut up the chicken sometimes, but I didn't get the whole chicken from them today because I remember that my son took the chicken out the freezer, so I had a whole chicken at home. So I just got some leg quarters and the chicken back. So I'm just going to start cutting up everything. This is a new cutting board that I just bought. I think I bought it at Ross. I think so, yeah. So it comes in 2. It's 2, a small one and a big one. So I'm going to use the big one today to cut up my chicken. Now I'm going to wash my bowl out. This I'll be using for once I cut up the chicken. I'll place the chicken in this pan and then season the chicken. So I'm just going to wash it out and get it prepared. Now I'm just washing out my bowl. Now I'm just making sure the cutting board is on the right side so I could start cutting up my chicken. I think I'm going to start with the whole chicken first to get that out of the way, and then I'll see how much I have and if I should, how much, of the leg quarters I should cut up. So I'm just cutting my chicken out of the bag now. This is a big, nice, juicy chicken. So I'm just fighting with the chicken. Okay, now I get it on the cutting board. Now I'm just going to start cutting it up. First, I like to cut my chicken in half. So once I get it in half, I take that half and just start cutting that half up while I put the other half to the side until I'm finished. So I'll just continue cutting up my chicken in small pieces. I'm on to my second half of my chicken now. I'm using my scissors to cut down the back of the chicken. This scissors is so good. So I'm just chopping up the rest of the chicken, and then I'm gonna go to the leg quarters, and I'm just gonna show you how I clean and chop one of my leg quarters. I cut off all the fat. This scissors, oh, I'm in love with this squeezing art scissors set. So I just clean my, that little gook in there, clean it, and then I chopped it up. And that's how I do the leg quarters. Now I'm on to my chicken back, so I'm going to cut them up. But first, I'm going to clean off all the fat. Chicken back, it does come with a lot of fat, but once you clean it up, it's good. It's a lot of bone, because it's the back of the chicken. Hello. But it's so delicious when you curry it. It tastes so good. If you know, you know. So I'm just going to continue doing this, and then we'll start seasoning up our chicken. As you can see to the side, I have a bag where I put all my garbage, all my skin from the chicken, all the fat from the chicken, because a girl is not going to clean up twice. So I have the bag there where I put all the as I said, all the skin and everything. So once I'm done, I just tie that bag up, and that's it. Easy cleanup. So now I'm done chopping up all my chicken. See, doesn't it look good? So now I'm going to wash my chicken with some vinegar and some lemon juice. If you have fresh lemon, that's good, but I have the juice, so I'll wash the chicken with both, and I'll be back. Let's get down to it. So here's all my seasoning that I'll be using today for my curry chicken. Here is a rundown of what I have. I have carrots, thyme, green onion. I also have purple onion, garlic, regular white onion, some scotch bonnet, some bell pepper, and now I have my powder seasoning. I have garlic powder, black pepper, I have Maggi chicken seasoning, I have some all-purpose seasoning, I have some complete seasoning, and my curry is Better Pack curry, which I think is the best curry, hands down. So this is everything that I have. I'm going to cut up all my fresh seasoning, and I'll be back. My meat is nice and clean, so now I'm going to start adding my powdered seasoning. And ladies and gentlemen, is this mic on? Hello, can you hear me? I do not measure my seasonings, okay? So I can't tell you half a spoon and a tablespoon and a teaspoon, because I wasn't raised like that. I mean, everyone was raised to cook a certain way, and my aunt raised me, and I was never taught to measure my seasoning. It's just pour until you feel like, okay, that's good. Well, I guess the measurement is in your hand, because you know when to stop, right? Now I'll be adding my curry. I put a little bit of curry on the chicken when I'm seasoning it up. And this Better Pack curry, where it seals, sometimes it's so hard to open, but I did it. So now I'll add all my fresh seasoning that I cut up earlier. I'll just add them to my chicken. Look at all those beautiful colors. Oh. So now I'm just going to put on a pair of gloves so I could rub all this seasoning in. Like, prepare yourself. Get some muscles to rub all this in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that girl working. Look at that girl working. She's getting it in. Go, girl. If you missed arm day at the gym today, you surely got it in. So now your pot is hot. I pour some oil in, and now I'm adding some curry to the oil to just burn the curry before I add my chicken in. I guess medium high, because you don't want it too hot where the curry, of course you're burning the curry, but you don't want to burn the curry. So it's getting there. You see the little bubbling going on in the pot. So after about maybe 2-3 minutes, it's at where I need it to be. So I'm going to start adding my chicken in now. Just slowly, you don't want it to splash and burn you. So I just slowly add my chicken in. So as I'm adding my chicken, I'm just speeding up the video because it was a lot of chicken that I cooked. So, a lot was going in the pot. So I just sped up the video a little bit. But I want to give you guys a step-by-step video. So after I put in all the chicken, I just stirred it up a little bit, and then I just close my pot and let it stay there for a little while. Now I'm going to prep my vegetables that I'll be steaming later. So this is my carrots. I'm going to peel up all my carrots. I just love this peeler. Look how nicely it's just peeling my carrots. I forgot where I got it, but if you guys are interested, you could leave a comment below and I'll link where I got this peeler from. It's so nice. Now I'm doing my string beans. I'm just cutting off the top. Yes, I have a cutting board. Yes, I could be doing it easier, but I enjoy being in my kitchen. I enjoy taking my time to prepare my meals. So look who's in my kitchen. Look who find their way in my kitchen. My husband. He's making a juice, so he's cutting up pineapple to make the juice. All in my space. Let me see what my curry chicken is doing. It's simmering down very well. You see all the juice in there? I didn't add any water to it. You don't have to add any water to your curry chicken. Just cover it and just let it sit there. Here's my white rice. It's done. It looks so good. These pots are, they're so good. I got them at Home Goods. And it cooked the rice so nice and shelly. So now I'm going to cut up my broccoli for my steamed veggies. So this is the way I just cut up my broccoli, and then I wash them and get it prepared to put in the pot. That's it. Now I have some oil in my saute pan with some garlic. And I'm just going to let that start getting hot a little bit. And then I'm going to add my veggies to the pot. I think carrot take the longest to cook with all the veggies that I have between the carrots and the string beans. So I'm adding the carrots first. And then I'll just let that sit for a little bit, cover the pot, and let it steam for a little bit before I start adding the other veggies in. So now I'll be adding my string beans in to the pot. Remember, it was 2 bags, so it's a good amount of string beans. So after I add my string beans in, now I'm adding some complete seasoning to my pot. And then I'll also add some garlic powder. Even though I have the fresh garlic, I add a little garlic powder as well to just spice it up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna cover my pot and just let that steam for a little bit. It's about 2-3 minutes, so I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit, get the carrots from the bottom so they don't get overcooked, because I don't like when my veggies overcook. I just wanted them blanched a little bit so the bright color remains. Now this is looking good. I'm going to now add my remaining vegetables that I have. My broccoli and my asparagus to the pot. And then after I add everything in, I'm just going to cover it up for a little bit. Not too long, because like I said, I don't like my vegetables overcooked. So I don't leave it on for too long. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit and then just let it stay there. So there you go. It's nice. See how pretty it is? That's just how I want it. I don't want it overcooked and soft and mushy. Just like this with all the bright colors still remain. So I'm going to take that off now. And then let me check back on my curry chicken. So now I add my carrots to my curry chicken. My carrots that I cut up earlier with the remaining onions and the peppers. So I'm just going to let that simmer down till the carrots get soft. This is one of my son's favorite meal. He actually requested this meal today. So when he gets home from school, I know he's going to be excited to see that I made curry chicken with white rice. So that's a treat for him today. So there's my husband, pineapple that he's cooking up. Yes, clean your stove as you cook. Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe me down. We are here now. It's ready. So I'm going to turn off my stove. It looks good. I got the gravy that I want. My carrot is soft. So I bought these plates the other day. I purchased them at Ross. I think they were $9.99. If this could only focus. Focus. Hello, focus. I think it's $9.99 or $8.99. I'm trying to get this camera to focus. I think it was $8.99. So I'm going to just wash these dishes up and then I'll start sharing. Now I'm going to make everybody's plate and for them to have their dinner. This looks so good. Look at all these colors on this plate. Doesn't that look good? Ooh. Is it hot? Hot. Listen, when you make curry chicken, you have to eat it hot. Hot right out the pot. It's so good. Especially with white rice. Hello. Ooh. It's so good. So we're going to eat now. This is good. This was a good meal, I must say myself. So I'm just going to try it. So good. Another bite? Anyone? This is good. This is good. You guys gotta try that Better Pack curry. I think it's the best curry. Just my opinion, but you gotta try it. Bye. You know it's good when he's hugging his plate. You know this is good. If you see him eating and hugging his plate, like, don't come near me. So these are some other dishes that I bought as well. So I'm going to bring some food over for some people today. Because you know that big old pot of food was not just for us. There go the kids. I'm giving them their plate, their dinner. Another one. Look at that. Look at that. Empty plate. Not even the bones. That food was good. That food was good. They want gravy all over their rice. Like, that's too much gravy, but that's what they want, so they enjoy it. These are all that I packed up to go. You would think I run a catering service, but my friends and family enjoy my meals, so I enjoy giving them some. So till next time, bye.